Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the REEBOK Club C AU5s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so let's get into it. So today we've got to look at one of my favorite sneakers of all time. If you're in a conundrum of what kind of classic sneakers to get yourself some pair of Club C's. We got these REEBOK Club C 85s in the maroon colorway. We got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 41. It's a US men's size 8.5. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful, simple. What you need, that kind of execution is what you need on these kind of sneakers. So big shout out to Brendan Dunn from Full Size Run and coining up the term Bok Boys. So this video here is dedicated to the Bok Boys, you Reebok heads and Reebok fans like me. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a gum colored rubber outsole. You got the Reebok logo that's found on the middle here. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So rubber covers the EVA midsole, so that foam is just there for the comfort. And we move along onto the upper, and guys, can't go wrong with a tonal all mono burgundy or maroon in this case. Look at that, that's so clean, very beautiful, incorporated in one of the best sneakers ever made. If you're looking for that classic simple look, don't go for your Nike Air Force Ones, get some Club C's. So we look at this burgundy maroon upper in the suedes, beautiful. It reminds me of the Puma suede classics that we have done in the past, so check that out. We have done a similar maroon one, and that's with Chris, so check that out if you're sick and tired of seeing my face. But moving on, so we look at the toe box in the front, so you got perforations here. Again, the whole upper of the sneaker is made out of a suede, and it's beautifully colored in this maroon. You got the little arrows on the mid paneling here where it's famous on a Club C. It's on that Club C 85 silhouette. And just in the middle, you got the Reebok and the Union Jack found on all Reebok classics. Looking at the tongue, so you got a nicely padded tongue, lacing system, classic lacing system with flat laces. Unfortunately, there's not another color that you can wear these lacing in, but I don't recommend it. Look at this, it just goes so well. Keep it tonal, keep it simple, keep it fresh. Again, as I mentioned, you got the Reebok Classic logo there, nice and padded tongue, padded collar on the ankle support for that, so your feet aren't ever uncomfortable. Reebok logo at the heel, and on the inside there's no logo, no branding, but you've got a maroon insole. Now that rounds off my sneaker review of these classics. Guys, I cannot recommend the Club C 85 enough. If you want to see it wasn't the OG one, but we had a white and chalk green colorway. We've done that review, check that out. That was one of my favorite sneakers. I'm trying to get the OG ones. They sell out really quick, believe it or not. But if you're looking for a nice clean sneaker, Reebok is always an option, and it's not too hefty on your wallet. It doesn't cost that much. Very nice price entry. So if you're worried about those spending your pounds, obviously whilst filming this video, it's Christmas time, and you want to treat yourself or you want to give someone, get a pair of these beautiful Reebok classics. Can't wait to try these on, show you the on feet. So roll that footage of me wearing these Club C's. fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Reebok fit. I'm 7.5 and my toes are where they need to be. There's not a lot of slippage on the back, which is great, and what's even more great is that these sneakers are really nice on. Very comfy as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.